Today we are introduced for temperature transmitter calibration. Manufacturer Rosemount, model number 644HAE. Transmitter calibration range minus 50 to 200 degree Celsius. The transmitter RTD sensor PT100 385 3 wire. The temperature transmitter calibration minimum required equipments: one multifunction calibrator, reference multimeter, configuration purpose one communicator, DC power supply 24 volt, load resistance 2 ohms. This temperature transmitter is SIL certified, safety certified transmitter. Normally this transmitter using for EST system. This is a normal type temperature transmitter. This is a SIL type temperature transmitter. This color code already mentioned, yellow color, that is a SIL type. White color showing for normal transmitter. This is a terminal block, RTD connection terminal block. 1, 2, 3. 3 were RTD normally connected. 1 and 2 is red, 3 is white. SIL transmitter also same content. 1, 2, 3. 1 and 2 is red connection, 3 is white connection. This is a main part of light arrestor. Light arrestor normally using for any case any lighting something. This is protect the system. Next we are doing for the calibration. First remove the front cover. Remove the display unit. Remove the display. Next connect the RTD cable, terminal number 1, 2, 3. First I am connect the red cable, terminal number 3. Terminal number 3. Right. Okay. Next I am connected the white cable, terminal number 2. Okay, tight the cable. Next another white cable connected to terminal number 1. Terminal number. Tight the cable. Next I am connected the power terminal. Power terminal positive and negative. First I am connecting for positive line. Loose the terminal. Connect the wire. Tight. Next I am connecting the negative wire. Open it. Tight the cable. Positive line already connected, negative line already connected, RTD cable also connected. Next we are inserting the display. And now is insert. Element cable we are connecting for multifunction calibrator. This is the output area, this is the input area. Okay. Resistance we can connect from the upside the terminal. Transmitter element cable. Okay, so one terminal is connected, another terminal also connected. Next power on the multifunction calibrator. Now is power on. and enter. That is a two option, is measuring option is there and a source option. We are selecting the source option. Okay, select it and down, RTD, enter it. There is a PT100, enter, direct, enter. Okay, now we are applying for 25 degree, enter. Next we are connecting for power supply line. Okay, this is a positive line, another one is negative. This is a positive line, transmitter positive line. Okay, we are connecting the positive terminal line. Okay, connected. This is a negative line. Okay, we are connecting the negative terminal. Okay, next 24th the positive line. We are connecting the test lead for red in the positive line. Positive lead connected to positive line. Terminal, negative terminal, we are connected to negative terminal. We are connecting the reference multimeter common port area. Connect. Next we are connecting the multimeter milliamps measuring area. We are connecting the black color test lead. Connected to the negative transmitter terminal line area. Now transmitter is power on. Wait for, okay, model number, analog output. We are already set for 25 degree. Analog output also showing fine. Next, power on the multimeter. Select the knob from milliampere measuring area. Select the function DC. Now showing 8.812 milliamps DC. Next, power on the communicator. Next, select the field communicator menu. Press. Loading DD file. Online menu. This is the overview. Service tools and configuration tools. Overview showing sensor temperature and output value, analog output gauge value. That is milliamps also there. Another one temperature. Next we are doing for the configuration of sensor, temperature sensor. Select the configuration menu. First select the guided setup and the configuration of sensor. Okay, we are remove the automatic control to remove the manual mode. Okay, configuration of sensor 1, select it. Okay, PT100 385, alpha value 385. RTD PT100 3 wire, IEC standard 60751. Both are same. Okay. Select the sensor connection. 3 wire. Sensor wire 3 wire. 3 wire selected. Okay. Now finish sensor setup. Okay. Exit. Automatic control. Okay. Okay, sensor configuration is completed. Next we are doing the display configuration. Select the configuration menu, guided setup, configuration of display, okay, sensor 1, primary value, allow output, okay, select it, okay. Decimal point, display decimal point, we are selecting to 2 number. Graphic bar graph is on, okay. Configuration display is completed. Next we are doing the sensor calibrations. Select the configuration menu, guided setup, and the calibration of sensor, select it, okay. Active calibrator on, active calibrator off. We are normally using for the normal condition, so okay. Select the temperature unit, select the temperature degree. First we are performing the low sensor trim. Instrument calibration range -50 to 200 degree. As per the data sheet, calibration range -50 to 200 degree. First we are applied for -50 degree, 50 degree and enter. The corresponding resistance value showing 80.31 ohms. Now milliamps approximately 4.1. Select the lower sensor time, then okay. Okay, beginning the lower sensor trim, this may be affect upper sensor trim, okay. Connect the lower sensor reference input with the range. Reference temperature -50 degree already set. Then okay. Now temperature showing -49.9 degree. Press OK when temperature is stable. Now temperature is stable. Okay. Enter the low reference input value for the calibration. This is value -50 degree, 3.00 degree. Then okay. Now performing door trim percentage base is 80% is completed, 90% is completed. Loads and load trim is completed. Then press OK. Next we are doing the upper sensor trim. Select the upper sensor. Set the temperature 200 degree. 200. Enter. The resistance showing 175.86 ohms. Now milliamps showing up. Now output is stable now. Next we are selecting the upper trim, then OK. Beginning the upper trim, the affect the lower trim, OK. Connect the upper reference input within the range -200 to 800 degree. Our calibration range is 200 degree upper value. 200 degree already applied. Press OK. Okay, temperature showing 200.003 degree. Press OK when temperature is stable. Now temperature is stable. Okay. Enter the upper value. 200 degrees upper value. Okay. Performing upper sensor term 20%, 30%, 40, 50. Once you reach the 100%, calibration is completed. Upper sensor completed. Then OK. Now calibration is completed. Go to the exit menu and then OK. Next, check the overview. Remove the alert conditions, advisory. Active alert, advisory, configuration change alert, clear, then OK. Back, then back, then back, then back. Now transmitter is good condition, no any alert. Applied value, reference applied value 200 degree, output is showing for 20 milliamps. Next we are applying for 50% of value. 75.75 degree is 50%. Enter it. The resistance value is showing 128.99 ohms. Now transmitter is falling down. Transmitter display showing 75.01 degree. Sensor 1 only. Sensor 1 temperature 74.97 and the output value is 11.998 ohms. Next we are applying for minus 50 degree, zero value, minus 50 degree. In the resistance value 80.31 ohms. Now 50 degree reached. Output is showing 3.999 milliamps. Transmitter display showing minus 50.02 degree. Now transmitter calibration is completed. This is only for single sensor calibration. Rosemount 644 HAE model temperature transmitter calibration procedure. Process variable LRV changing procedure. I will explain how to change the LRV URV, which menu we can edit for the LRV URV. This is overview menu. First we are doing the change the configuration area. Select it, configuration, and select the manual setup. Sensor 1, sensor 2, calculation output, analysis service, analog output, display settings, device setup. Okay, first we are selecting analog output functions. Select it. Now display show analog output is 3.998 milliamps. Percentage is minus 0.012 percentage. Primary value selected sensor 1 temperature. Primary temperature is showing minus 50.02 degree. Next we are changing the PB configuration. PB configuration we can change the LRV URV. Okay, LRV range minus 50 degree. Upper range value is 200 degree. As per the data sheet, instrument calibration range showing minus 50 to 200 degree. If you need the editing, this tab, this pencil arrow is editing option. Okay, if you press it and change the values. Manufacturer already configured 200 degree. This is the procedure of LRV URV changing parameters procedure. Next we are doing the procedure for instrument service adding, description adding and tag number add. First select the configuration menu. Select the manual setup. Move it down. Device informations. Tag number already assigned. Next we are assigned for description, instrument service. Okay, we are opening that one. We are typing carbon bed upper temperature, then okay. This is long tag we are sending to message area. That's a long tag 23 21 A 03 L TT. This is long tag. Okay, enter it. Okay, and send. Okay. Now transmitter configuration, LRV changing, next description changing, tag number changing, message alert adding. That procedure is completed.